Yeah, common factors and common multiples. What about common factors and common multiples? For example, I'm taking one number. What are the factors? What are the factors of 4 and 18? What are the factors of 4 and 18? The factors means which we can divide the numbers, they are called factors. Now see here, we can write 4 as 2 2 ja 4, 1 4 ja 4. So except these two, we can't write 4 as multiple of anything. So here 2 2 ja 4, 1 4 ja 4. Therefore, we can say the factors of 4 are 1 2 4. These three are called factors of 4. Since we can write 1 4 ja 4 you are getting, 2 2 ja 4 you are getting, 4 1 ja 4 you are getting. The same way for 18, how we can add 18? To start with 2, the 2 we can add 1 also. 1 into 18 is 18 only. Again 2 into 9, 18 only. With 3 6 ja, again 18. Or we can write like this. See here how I am writing like 18. If you'll get confusion in this way, I'm writing, see here 18 na? So 18 we can write 1 into 18 18, 2 into 9 18, 3 into 6 18. Enough. Again we can write 1 into 18 is nothing but 18 1 ja, 2 into 9 is nothing but 9 2 ja, 3 into 6 is nothing but 6 3 ja. So there is no any other way except these three ways. Therefore, what are the factors? Factors of 18 are 1 2 3 6 9 18. 1 18 ja 18, 2 9 ja 18, 3 6 ja 18, 6 3 ja 18, 9 2 ja 18, 18 1 ja 18. So we can't write except these three any other way. So these 6 are called the factors of 18. So now I am taking more two numbers, example 2. So those are what I am taking. What are the common factors? What are the common factors? Common factors of what are the common factors of 4 and 15? 4 and 15. So first you have to write the factors, then we will go for common factors. So 4, how we can write 4 as? Just now I told you that what? 1 4 ja, 2 2 ja. That's it. Okay. Therefore, what are the factors? I will write this side. 2 2 ja. That implies factors of 4 are 1 2 4. These are the factors of 4. And again 15. For 15, how we can write? 1 into 15 and 2, it is not possible since that is odd number. And 3 into 15, yes, so we can't write anything. Sorry, 3 into 5, these only the possibilities. Then we can write what? Factors of 15 are. Factors of 15 are. What are the factors of 15? 1 3 5 15. So these are the factors of 15. So here for 15 we have 4, and for 4 we have 3 are the factors. Now what we are going to find? The common factor. What is the common factor for these? That is, we are discussing that the common factor of 4 and 15 are, let us check how many common factors. Here one is there, here also one is there, one common factor we got. 2 is there, but there is no 2. 3, 4 is there is no 4. So remaining all are not common factors. Only one is the common factor. So common factors are 1. So how many common factors here we have? Only one. Only one. Okay. Now here the numbers which having one as common factor, not one, only one as common factor, then they are called co-prime numbers. Then they are called co-prime numbers. Okay. So the numbers which are having only one as common factor, here except one there is no any common factor, that's why they are called co-prime numbers. And I will give you, check 7 and 15, 12 and 49, 18 and 23 are co-prime numbers. These are homework. I'm asking, check these are co-prime numbers or not. Okay. Now come to the continuation. So this we done how we can find the factors and how we can find the common factors. Okay. Yeah. Come to the class again. See here, we find till now for two numbers factors. Now, is it possible to find factors for common factors for three numbers, four numbers like that? Let us check. One more example I am taking. What are the common factors? What are the common factors of? I'm taking now three numbers, 4, 12 and 16. Okay, let us check. For 4, what are the common factors? What are the factors already we done? But once again, I'm doing. See, for 4, we can write 1 4 is 4, 2 2 is 4. So that implies common factor. Just remember, CF means common factor for this class. Common factors of 4 are. What are the common factors? 1, 2, 4. Now come to the next number 12. So how we can write 12? 1 12 ja 12. Now go with 2. 2 6 ja 12. Now with 3. 3 4 ja 12. Now with what again? 4 3 ja, that already we have. And after that 6 2 ja we have. And 12 1 ja we have. So no need to write once again. Therefore, the common factors of 12 are, what are the common factors we are writing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Not common factors, factors of 12. And one more number is waiting now, that is 16. For 16, what are the factors? 1, 16 just 16. Then with 2, 2, 8 just 16. Then with 3, 3 not possible. 4, 4, 4 just 16. With 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 2 is already here there. And 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 1 already we have. Therefore, the common, sorry, not common factor here. We have to write factors only. So you have factors of factors of the number we are writing. After that, we will write common factor. So here factors. Here also factors. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Here 1, 2, 4. Now here we are going to find the common factors. Now common factors of, what are the numbers given? 4, 12 and 16 are. Now we have to check what are the same numbers, means like same factors in 3. See, 1 in 4, 1 is there, in 12, 1 is there, in 16, 1 is there. So 1 comma 2, 2, 2, 2 comma again 4, here 4, here also 4, so 4. So there is nothing in 4 again except 3 factors. That's why we can't take any more number. Why? Because common factor for 3 numbers we are finding. Now already 3 digits over in 4. That's why these are the common factors for 4, 12, 16. So there is no 3 in all 3 numbers, there is no 6 in all 3 numbers, there is no 12, and there is no 8, there is no 16. So here the common factors for the numbers 4, 12, 16 are 1 comma 2 comma 4. Okay, this is about common factors for 3 digits. In the same way, we can find common factors of, find common factors of 8 comma 20 comma 12, second one 9 comma 15 and 21. So these are homework. Where I am writing with this red color, that is clearly considered as homework. Okay, I am giving a box also. Yeah, so you consider these are as homework. This is about factors, common factors of 2 digits, it's 2 numbers, and common factors of 3 numbers. Now come to multiples. Multiples of 2 are, multiples of 2 are. So here we can write what? We can write 2 table first of all. So multiples of 2 are 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 12, 14, so on. So these all are called multiples of 2. Yeah. In the same way, we can write multiples of any number. Any number we can write for 3 table and extension of 3 table. Up to where? Up to infinity you will get. So there is no the finite number. 2 into 100 you will get 200. 2 into 5 lakhs you will get 10 lakhs. Like that, you can write the multiples up to infinite. Up to infinite, this is infinite symbol. Okay. In the same way, we can write multiples for any number easily. Okay. And here, if you observe factors when you're writing, here the factors, how many factors you have here? 3. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here 1 2 3 4 5. The factors of any number always finite. These all are finite, not infinite. But the multiples of any number always infinite. So you should remember these 2 points also. Multiples we can write infinite, but factors only finite. Depending on the number, we can write. Okay, now we are going to discuss about common multiples. So what are the common multiples? Common multiples. Common multiples of, what are the common multiples of 4 and 6? Later we'll take one more question with some different numbers, big numbers. So what are the common multiples of 4 and 6? Okay. To find the common multiples, we have to write first what are the multiples of each number separately. The first one, multiples of 4 are 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, so on. So up to we can write infinite. Why? Because I told you just now, multiples are always infinite. Multiples are always infinite. Now, multiples of 6 are, what are the multiples of 6? The 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, and 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, and 6 6 is 36, so on. I am writing continuation of this multiples of 4, some more multiples I will write. 20, then you will get 24. Okay, up to 24 enough. Okay. Now he is asking what common multiples of these two numbers, right? Now I'm writing common multiples of 4 and 6 are. Now check common multiples. 4, there is no 4, so 4 is not common multiple. 8, there is no 8, not common multiple. 12, yeah, there is 12, 12, 12. And then 16, not common multiple. 20, not common multiple. 24, common multiple. So here 6 also not common multiple, 18 also not common multiple, 30 also not common multiple. You will get one more 36 also if you write continuation. So in this way, we can find the common multiples. Here 12 is the common multiple, and after that 24 is the common multiple. In this way, you will get the common multiples again infinite. Okay. Now I am writing here sum, that is 12 is common multiple, 24 is common multiple. You will get again 36, but you will get 12 table simply. Okay. So on up to infinite, infinite, infinite. So in this way, we can write the common multiples of any two numbers, three numbers, four numbers, five numbers. Okay. Yeah, come to the class. Yeah, continuation. So here find common multiples of the first question is 3 5 and 9, 6, 3 5 and 6. Second question 2 4 5, 2 4 5. This is also considered as homework. Find the common multiples of these questions. Okay. Now continuation. Some questions are there. Those also I am giving you. Just be online. What is asking? See, find the common factors of 75, 60, 210. When you are finding common factors, take the big numbers, no problem. But when you are finding the common multiples, try to take small numbers. Why? Because multiples you will get big numbers when you are writing. So that's why common factors, big numbers, common multiples, small numbers. But no problem. For some small numbers also you will get multiples very high. Why? Because always common multiples, sorry, multiples are always infinite. Factors only finite. That's why. Okay. Now one more small topic that listen here. Some more divisibility rules. Some more divisibility rules. Some more divisibility rules. Listen in that. The first one is what? If a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. If a number is divisible by, if a number is divisible by another number, if a number is divisible by another number, okay, listen carefully, then it is divisible by, it is divisible by each of the factor, all factors anamata, each of the factors of that number, of that number, each of the factors of that number. See, for example, I am taking a number 6. Okay, 6 is divisible by, a number is divisible by another number is saying. Okay, if 6, or take small number 2, 2 is divisible by, 2 is divisible by, take any number 4, then it is divisible by each of the factors of that number. What are the factors of 4? Factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Clearly we can divide 2 with 1, 2 and 4. So in that way we can say that if any number is divisible by another number, any number 2 divisible by another number 4, then it is means 2 divisible by each of that factor, each of the factor of that number. So each of the factor of this number, clearly this is divisible by this. Okay, that is the first point. And the second point, what is the second point I'm writing? See here, if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, two co-prime numbers, if a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product also. It is divisible by their product also. Already I told you about co-prime numbers. Example for you, homework. Example for you. I gave you already about co-prime numbers. Just take any two co-prime numbers and find the product and check the number is which is divisible by two co-prime numbers. It is clearly divisible by the product also. Third one, since we have no time, that's why after complete of this class, join again. Don't waste time. And the third one is what? If two given numbers are divisible by a number, if two given numbers are divisible by a number, if two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum is also, then their sum is also, then their sum is also divisible by that number, divisible by that number. So this is, for this also example is homework. And the last one, the fourth one is, if two given numbers is divisible by a number, if two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum completed na, now difference means subtraction, then their difference also divisible by that number, divisible by that number. You can take for example any numbers, that's your wish. Okay, so this is about common multiple, common factors, and some more divisible rules. Next, prime factors. Okay, if the meeting will close, join the same link.